Most of the trim work in the house is installed, and a lot of it is new. Except for this window right here, the homeowner wanted to keep the old window with the old casing. The problem is, when it was demoed, the trim was damaged. Let me show you how we're going to fix it. All right, so this is what we're dealing with. We have two pieces here that have been glued together to make one for one half. And this is the other side right here, and you can see this was busted pretty good when it was taken off. So what we need to do is glue this back together and fit it back to the window. So Mattie made a form or a template right here to fit this piece in. And that way we'd put it under compression with these wedges so it would put it together and hold it while the glue dries. We can take this out?
Is it all ready, Tom?
All right, let's pull it out of there. It's in there pretty good. Comes right up. There it is. All right, so there's one half. We have a little more sanding to do on that. And this piece here, in three pieces, we'll put this right in here. Try it first before we put some glue on there. Yeah, we got a little bit of sanding to do right there on that one. We can get it in. So let's sand that right there and then try it out. All right, let's see if that's enough off of that. Yeah, that fits good. We'll try that third piece. Yeah, that should be good. Let's take it out and we'll get some glue on it. All right, we're ready, right?
Yes, sir.
That in there. Good. Get a couple of wedges on this. Okay, while that head casing is drying, we're ready to install the two side casings. We couldn't salvage those because they were really broken when they demoed the window. But we were able to salvage some of the old trim from downstairs that matches the profile. So on this side, the casing is going to be perfect, all right? We just got to cut the height, nail it in place. But on this side, you can see the casing fits, but if you look, it's way too wide. So we have to cut this side of the casing to follow the contour of the wall also, so we're going to scribe it in place. I'm going to put a reference mark here on the windowsill and another one right here on the edge of the window stop, and I'll take it away. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the dimension from this line that I marked on the stool right here to the edge of the window frame. Hold my scribes against that. Open them up a little. Hold my scribes against it and bring the scribe to the pencil mark right there. So now I take my scribes up here, hold it against the jamb of the window, and see if my line lines up. If I look close, it doesn't. It's off just a little bit. So I'm going to make my scribes a little bit wider so it lines up with this mark at the top, right there. And now I'm going to take that mark and transfer it down here. All right, with my two marks, one on the stool and then one up top, I put the side of the casing on each mark. My scribe is set to that dimension. So now I just take my scribes without moving them, put them tight against the wall on this side, bring them in, and put a mark following the wall. Mattie's going to take the casing over to the table saw, cut it on an angle to the widest point of the casing, bring it back to me, and I'll fine-tune it with my block plane. All right, let's see how that fits. Got the bevel on there, good. Nice, you left a little bit of the line on there. Now it fits pretty good there. That's good. It's away just a little bit there, so I'm going to fine-tune this edge right here with my block plane so we can get it tight against the wall. Don't need to take very much off. All right, let's try it. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, all we got to do is cut the length and we can tack it in place.
Hey, Matty, Tommy.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
Hey, Kevin. Let's see how it went, huh? Look at that beauty. That is going to be a real nice compliment to those leaded glass windows right in the front of the house.
We saved this top casing here, this round one, glued it all back together. It was a lot of pieces. And we used some of the casing from downstairs.
Nice.
So worth it. It's a beautiful window. I'm glad we did it.
Cool. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.